Happy birthday.
1 year old.
1 euro 38 บาทจ่ายเมียไป38 บาท
It was really good.
Was it? So Trevor, you just had an ear candle treatment. What led you to go and have that done?
Well, I don't know if it was the pool or something, but I went swimming, and when I came back, I was kind of deaf in this right ear. Couldn't really hear out of it. So I went to the chemist, told her the problem. She gave me some drops, as you would. I did those for 2 days. There wasn't much difference. And now I walked down. One morning. My wife and I walked down to the beach and back, which is about 1 kilometre from where we are. And on the way back, we saw a clinic, a medical clinic. So I went into there and seen the doctor straight away. I told her my problem. She looked in my ear, said, right, you got wax in this ear. This ear was okay. I said, you're going to flush it out. She goes, I just do your blood pressure first. She gave my blood pressure. She goes, oh, your blood pressure very high. I go, yeah, I've just been walking. She goes, oh, I can't flush your ear out because you might pass out. So I got up, got out, paid the bill, 100 baht, walked down, and then I looked on YouTube and I seen this ear candle treatment that people are doing, because no one's going to flush it out here. So we went by a couple of massage parlours and I saw it advertised, 300 baht. So I thought I'd give it a shot.
Trevor, before you actually went in to have the treatment, were you having any pain at all in your ear?
No, there was no pain, but it's just I couldn't hear out of it. And when people were talking, I go, what? And it was annoying more than anything. So I wanted to get it fixed.
And when the treatment commenced, did you find it to be uncomfortable? Was it what you expected?
Well, what I expected from the picture and what I've seen is that I thought you lay on a bed and they put the candle up because it's got to go up like this. But no, they've got nice lounge seats. So I just had to sit there, I just had to sit further up. The lady walked behind the lounge, the seat, put my head to one side, put the candle in, and put a wet cloth around my ear so if anything fell down there, that'd be safe.
So it was a comfortable procedure?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah?
I think it took about 15 minutes for each ear. Then when the candle pulled out, she got a couple of cotton buds and just cleaned inside the ear. She would show me and how much wax was in there, which I was surprised, but it was good. Yes, and it was like 15 minutes here, each ear. You pay for an hour, which is 300 baht. And then she gives you a face massage and your shoulders just to relax your neck because I suppose you put on a bit of an ankle for 15 minutes. And it's not awkward, but if you've got a sore neck or you can't turn, it can be quite unpleasant, I suppose.
Okay, so you've probably been out of the treatment, say 20 minutes, maybe half an hour now. Do you feel there's been any kind of improvement at all?
Yes, I still slightly, there's no dullness in this ear, but I don't know until I get a crowd. But when someone's talking to me, I feel I don't have the urge to go with my good ear, what, and explain what I can't really hear. It sounds good. I don't think it's perfect, but I think I had a lot of wax in there, or it was a lot of problem there. So I'll give it a couple of thumbs up. It was really well worth the 300 baht.
So Trevor, you said the cost was 300 baht for an hour. Can you tell me how much that converts to in Australian dollars?
Well, Australian dollars at this moment, at this rate, is 15 Australian dollars for 1 hour.
Okay, and what led you to choose that particular massage parlour? Because we call it a massage parlour, but it's actually, it does so much more than just massages.
Yeah, I mean, there's multiple. There's oils, there's
Yeah.
Thai massage. You've got multiple. My wife and I, Jean, go down there. We've been there like every day for the last 2 weeks, and they've got really good masseurs that do your feet. We go for
So
a foot
you
massage.
found them to be very professional?
Very professional, very clean, and it's done straight away. There's no waiting around.
Yeah.
Even though-
I did notice as well that it wasn't, you didn't walk in and they just picked a girl to actually do your ear. They sent for a girl from one of their other premises, and she came up and did the ear. So obviously she was trained in that particular procedure. Did you feel that way as well?
Absolutely, yes. I mean, I thought it was just anyone could do it, but obviously not. I went and called her up. She came in. She went to a certain little station. She pulled out a little box, candles in and matches and towels and stuff like that. Yeah, she'd done it. As soon as she finished, she gave me, like I said, a shoulder and head massage, and then she just said, just lay here next to your wife, and just wait till she's finished, and then go and pay the. Sorry about that. The,
Okay.
woman.
No worries. Thank you, Trevor, for that.
Anytime, baby. I can hear.
เมียเขาอยู่ร้านเสริมสวยเสื้อขาวทำเล็บอยู่พูนใช่ไหมเขามองเมียเขาเห็นก็เดินไปหาเมียเขาอยู่ Feels very good. Are you okay?
Yes, beautiful. I can hear you now.
Because before you cannot hear because close the ear.
So is it a thumbs up? Trevor?
Huh?
Is it a thumbs up?
Yeah.
So Trevor, you're back in Australia now and it's been around 3 weeks since you had the ear candling done. What's your opinion? Did you find that it was helpful or was not worth the money?
No, it was worth the money. It was worth the experience, and it made my hearing a lot better. It was all blocked after the air candle was taken out. It softened up all the wax in there. When I came out, it was always, I was deaf going in that ear. When I came out, I could hear. It wasn't quite perfect, but it's well worth the money and the try to do that, because everyone knows if you've got a sore ear, the irritation and not hearing drives you crazy. But yes, it was worth it, and if it happens again, I definitely would try it again without hesitation.
Okay, and just to clarify though, you didn't actually have any pain when you went in to have it done, did you?
No, there was no pain, but
was
what it
just an
was is
irritation.
deafness and like itchy. It was just itchy all the time. No pain, but just itchy, and that drove me crazy because you always got your finger in your ear. But yes, try it, go for it. What you got to lose?
And it was a relaxing experience anyway, wasn't
Well, it's nothing like being set on fire.
it? Okay, thank you, Trevor.
Thank you.